We are going to take card making back to the very beginning. I think some people get overwhelmed when they start making cards because there are so many supplies to choose from, but we are going to make some basic cards. This is going to be one of them. You will be able to copy this without any problem. I'm using a premium stack from Die Cuts with a View. I've used this stack so much. It's called Garden Charm. This is a picture of some of the papers. You can see I have already cut apart some things and used them for other projects. One of these stacks has all these different papers. This one has cutouts on it, and we're going to use one of the cutouts. It says "You make me happy," and we're going to use that to make a card. This is going to be a super simple card to get you started. So I love when things are in kits like this. Everything matches, everything coordinates. You can use this for scrapbooking, card making, journaling, whatever you want. But this is going to be a super easy card. It's not going to take you any time at all. This is an 8.5 sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and I have cut it in half so that it is 8.5 by 5.5. And then I have scored it and folded it at the halfway point. This piece is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. We are going to use scrapbook adhesives, easy runner, tape runner, and I will link all the supplies when I get done. And we are going to attach this with this tape runner adhesive to the front of this card. And I use this Fisker's paper trimmer to cut all my card bases and my cards. Love that trimmer. I've been using that trimmer for 15 years. And then we are going to attach this, press it down, and then this You Make Me Happy, I just trimmed it with my paper trimmer out of, it was on a big sheet that had lots of different sayings on it. We are going to attach it to the front. I'm telling you, this is the way to get started. Buy yourself a kit. Buy a kit that has everything already color coordinated. And then I had a piece of this ribbon in my stash, so you can add ribbons, bows, maybe you have flowers, whatever supplies you have that you want to use to decorate your card. So I'm just making a very simple bow, nothing fancy at all. I am going to pull this tighter. Whoops. There we go. And I'm going to put that up there. This is called a glue dot. This is great for holding ribbons, buttons, little metal doodads, you know, anything that's heavier than paper. So we're going to stick that to the back of the bow and peel this off. And now that I have some glue on the back of that, I'm going to stick it on. Let me trim this bow. There we go. But you can see that was super easy to make. Don't overthink it when you're getting started. You can add more stuff to it. You can add rhinestones. You can add adhesive pearls. You can add glitter, whatever you want to add. But start with something really easy so that you're not overwhelmed.